climate change, environment, water security is the fundamental risk to doing business. If these issues are not addressed, doing business will be very difficult in the near future. When we have leading companies setting demands for more sustainable products, as well as, for example, renewable power, it enables the market to actually flourish.
Novo Nordisk's ultimate ambition is to have no negative impact on the environment. Our environmental target when it comes to dealing with suppliers is that we want all of our 60,000 suppliers to be using renewable power. We are focusing on renewable power because we have experience in this space. We can see that there is a market for renewable power and we can see that prices are coming down. So this is an easy and effective way to reduce CO2 footprint.
The biggest challenge has been and still is that producing glass for the pharmaceutical industry for containers is a quite energy-intensive process. When Novo Nordisk approached us regarding a reduction program of CO2, we reacted quite positive. We are talking about a zero carbon emission when it comes to the year 2030.
We are sitting in 60 production sites around the world, and depending on the country, of course, we have different sources where we get the energy from. And due to our alignment, of course, we want to step in and work with you together to underline, of course, your strategy as well, strengthen our strategy in terms of sustainability.
We know it will be challenging for many suppliers, but we have some experience in the space. We have worked on this for years and we want to collaborate with our suppliers, share our experiences and help them achieve this target. And for new suppliers, it means that we have a condition that to supply Novo Nordisk, you need to document that you produce your services and products to Novo Nordisk based on renewable power.
You can never reach zero without going into renewable power. So have you any plans for that?
Yes, we are running in the right direction so that we cooperate to your fulfillment and requirements in one hand, and of course establish our own, let's say, ideas to go further in the future to reduce the zero carbon. We approach our big glass supplier, but of course we have to extend it to our other suppliers.
These kind of partnerships are very important to us because we can learn. I think the partnership with Novo Nordisk gave us important insights how to treat and how to handle environmental issues. So this was very, very helpful for us.
These ambitions are bold, they're incredibly important, but they will only be achieved through collaboration. And that's why having these types of partnerships between the companies, suppliers, is critical to create the foundations for success. We need this kind of mutual inspiration to actually help transition to a more sustainable future and tackle climate change.